Hi, I'm back. This is my Graphic 45 Destash Offer number 3. This one is their Portrait of a Lady. Again, I have what I think is the entire collection. I think I have all the pieces. What you will get is the Portrait of a Lady 12 by 12 paper pad. There are 24 pages. Just absolutely shabby as shabby can be. Look at that, just gorgeous. The green and the cream and the peaches. Oops. And the journaling cards, the cut aparts, the green and cream stripe. Everybody that knows me knows I like any color stripe as long as it has cream in it. Just gorgeous. Look at that one. Just absolutely incredible. Some peach and cream, and all the pretty ladies, and the flowers, and the pretty I think that's brocade, isn't it? Or jacquard, or I'm not sure, but all the different perfumey bottles. Oh, gorgeous rose stripes, if you want to call it that. More peach, more of those pretty ladies, and more green. Just incredibly beautiful. So that's all 24 pages. Then I also have the 12 by 12, patterns and solids for the Portrait of a Lady. This one is open, but all 24 sheets are intact. This is the 8 by 8. Again, I cut the sticker, or I cut the seal on it, but did not use it. So there's all the 8 by 8s. Then we have the tags and pockets, which are gorgeous. The ephemera card, journaling and ephemera cards, the 32 pieces. Then there is the decorative chipboards. See, just so very, very pretty. And then there are the journaling chipboards. Again, you can see here, so elegant lady it says, and the room to journal all over all of these. So that, I believe, is the entire collection. There may have been a sticker sheet, but I don't have a sticker sheet. If I do turn it up, I will definitely throw that in. I will double check everything, but I don't, for some reason I don't have a sticker sheet. So anyway, so this, I actually went online and looked at my order, and I paid just about $75 without shipping. So I'm going to offer this one. Again, all this unused. It sounds funny to me to say unused. Never used, so all the pieces are intact. I'm going to offer this one for $45. So that is a smoking deal. Again, it's $45 for US. US only. Which will include the shipping. If you are international and you're interested, you will have to just pay the shipping. So payment will be through PayPal, friends and family, or send money, or whatever it's called. So you'll have to have a PayPal account and an email address. So the way to get in touch with me is to comment below, tell me you're interested, and give me your email address, and I will get in contact with you. So it is April 22nd, Sunday, April 22nd, 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I hear back from you by 9 o'clock this evening, Eastern Standard Time, I can get it shipped to you tomorrow, which would be Monday, April 23rd. And then once any of these Destash offers sell, I will definitely mark it as sold, or I'll take it down. But I'll leave it up for about a week or so. So if you're interested, again, this is Graphic 45's Portrait of a Lady. It's the D-Stash. $45 will include U.S. shipping. If you're international, you will have to pay the shipping. So the first person to comment that they're interested wins. So I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day. Thanks.